This morning, I was woke up by the protester. I don't know what they are protesting for. I believe it's for some football match or environmental activists. No idea. After that, I took a shower and meet my boss, and he said there will be a 2 person at home for dinner and asked me to set up the table in front of him so that he can check the quality. I believe he would like to see different table mat that he has. My boss, Mr. Hippo, is actually not very demanding and he is very kind to me, so I will do whatever he asks me to do. Somehow, same as all other billionaires, he changed my very easily and very fast. Today, I experience it same as usual. For tonight, I believe that is not only about his changing my ability, so does his friend as well, or his friends. People say Butler job is about lifestyle, about flexibility, about passion, energy, commitment. One of the important factors I believe is loyalty. Without all these elements, you cannot really adapt the job easily, and it is not physically tired, and mentally you will be a little bit tired as well. At the end, Mr. Hippo decided to go out for dinner, and I start to prepare myself to finish the day. After tidying up in general all around the house, I clear up stuff from dishwasher, arranging cutlery, crockeries back to original places, doing some inventory check, and I believe I have not broken anything inside the house, so does my co-worker. It's time to relax, to have a tea at the end of the day. Somehow I will have to do some paperwork as well. For what? Well, it is for tomorrow. I always arrange a list for myself, what we call a to-do list. I would first to check what I have done today and to see if there is any pending jobs. And if there is yes, I would have to follow up. If no, that's wonderful. So for today, seems I have completed all my duty. Wonderful. And now I'm going to do a list for tomorrow. What should be done on my side? I would say this is crucial because without a list, somehow I really get lost. Finally, take a picture of the list, WhatsApp to my co-worker, then my day finished. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.